People over 50 hear a lot of health advice, but one myth refuses to die. Creatine is only for young people who lift heavy weights. This idea sounds logical, but it may be one of the biggest misunderstandings in senior health. And the truth behind it might completely change the way you think about bone strength. Here's a surprising thought. Your bones don't weaken simply because you age. They often weaken because the muscles supporting them stopped firing the way they used to. It's like a house sitting on soft soil. Nothing is wrong with the house, but the foundation isn't holding it up anymore. That's where creatine quietly enters the story. Not as a bodybuilding supplement, but as a fuel your muscles already depend on every single day. When you stand up from a chair, lift groceries, or catch your balance, your muscles use quick bursts of energy. This energy relies on creatine your body produces naturally. But after 50, those levels may drop, little by little, and most people never notice until simple movements feel harder. Now here's the part almost no one talks about. When your muscles lose this quick energy, they don't just weaken. You lose one of the biggest protectors of your bones. Strong muscles act like shock absorbers. When they're tired or slow, more pressure hits your joints and bones directly. This is where the curiosity deepens, because it means creatine's real benefit may not be about muscle size at all, but about bone stability. Before we get to how seniors can use this safely, let's uncover the root cause gently and clearly. Your bones respond to force. Healthy stress tells them to rebuild and stay dense. Weak muscles can't give bones that message. So the problem isn't just bone loss, it's often a slow decline in muscle energy. Think of creatine as a small spark plug. It doesn't do the work for you, but it helps the engine fire the way it's supposed to. And when muscles wake up, bones receive stronger support, better balance, and fewer impact shocks throughout the day. Now that the foundation makes sense, let's explore how seniors can use this in real life. Not theory, practical, calm, natural steps. A simple low dose of creatine, around 2 to 3 grams per day for a start, may help restore quick muscle energy. No loading phase, no complicated timing, just a cup of water and a tiny scoop. If you have kidney concerns, always talk to your practitioner first. Seniors don't need higher doses at first. Consistency is what matters. Here's where the story gets interesting. Creatine works best when you give your muscles a gentle reason to grow. Nothing extreme. Chair squats, slow resistance band pulls, or even kitchen counter push-ups may signal your muscles to use that extra energy. These movements don't just build strength, they send a message to your bones to stay dense and stable. A second strategy that pairs beautifully with creatine is increasing high-quality protein. Protein is the building material your muscles and bones use to repair themselves. Most seniors eat far less than their bodies actually need. A palm-sized portion of eggs, fish, chicken, or beans at each meal can make a huge difference. It's a simple visual guide. No counting grams or tracking numbers. Now let's bring in a natural third strategy that often gets ignored. Magnesium plus movement. Magnesium helps muscles relax, contract, and respond properly. Movement, especially walking, gives bones the gentle stress they need to stay strong. Together, they act like oil in an engine. They keep everything smoother, steadier, and safer. But there's still one more open loop to close, because creatine may support something seniors worry about even more than bones: brain energy. Some early research suggests creatine may help with mental clarity, memory, and daily alertness. Not as a miracle cure, but as a support for the cells in your brain that use quick energy just like your muscles do. So here's the empowering truth. Creatine is not a gym supplement. It's a natural tool your body has relied on since birth. And with gentle, consistent use, it may help your muscles protect your bones, support your balance, and give you more confidence in everyday movement. If you want a full, senior-friendly plan that helps you rebuild strength naturally, download our Muscle Revival Blueprint below. It's simple, it's safe, and it pairs perfectly with everything you learned today. And if this topic opened your eyes, then you need to watch the next video showing on your screen right now. There's a surprising connection between that video and what we just uncovered. Before you leave, answer in the comments. Would you try creatine if it helped protect your bones and balance?